Imagine a legend resurrected on stage, not a video, but a tangible presence, a ghost made real, dancing before your eyes. This isn't science fiction, this is a hologram. And it's not just for superstars. Entire arenas transformed, filled with virtual performers, blurring the line between reality and illusion. A spectacle you can reach out and almost touch. But what if this is just the beginning? What if holograms could revolutionize medicine, education, and even how we connect? Are we on the verge of a future where anything can be brought into our space in 3 dimensions? Welcome to Physics Enigma, where we'll unravel the science behind holograms and explore the mind-bending possibilities that lie ahead.
Understanding holograms is like peering through magical windows. They let us see 3-dimensional images that look incredibly real, almost as if they're floating in the air. The science behind these amazing images is called holography. It's all about recording and recreating light. Imagine shining a light on an object. The light bounces off, carrying information about the object's shape and color. Holography captures this reflected light using lasers to record the light patterns. These patterns are like a secret code. To see the hologram, we shine another laser beam, which reads the code in the recorded pattern. This recreates the original light waves. The result? A 3-dimensional image that seems to exist in thin air. Holograms are not just illusions, they are recordings of light itself. This makes them different from photographs or videos, as they capture the depth and detail of real objects, offering a glimpse into a world beyond flat screens. Holograms are already changing the world around us. They entertain us, help us learn, and even save lives. One of the most popular uses of holograms is in entertainment. We've seen holographic concerts and performances that bring our favorite stars to life. Think of a virtual concert where a holographic musician appears on stage. Holograms are also transforming education. Imagine studying the human body and using a hologram to see inside organs. Museums use holograms to display ancient artifacts, allowing us to experience history in a whole new way. In medicine, holograms help doctors plan complex surgeries by providing 3-dimensional images of a patient's organs, allowing them to practice the surgery beforehand. Holographic displays can also show real-time information during surgery. Security is another area where holograms are making a difference. Holograms are difficult to counterfeit, making them ideal for use on banknotes and credit cards. They add an extra layer of protection against fraud. Creating a hologram might sound like magic, but it's actually a fascinating scientific process. It all starts with a laser beam, which is split into 2 separate beams. One beam, called the object beam, illuminates the object we want to record. The second beam, known as the reference beam, is directed onto a special recording plate. When the object beam reflects off the object, it interferes with the reference beam. This interference pattern is what gets recorded on the plate. The recording plate contains billions of tiny light-sensitive particles that change their structure when exposed to light, recording the interference pattern as a complex series of microscopic lines and dots. To view the hologram, we shine a laser beam similar to the reference beam onto the plate. This beam is diffracted by the recorded pattern, reconstructing the original light waves that came from the object. Our eyes perceive this as a 3-dimensional image. Section 4. On the horizon, holography's next big leap. The future of holography is incredibly exciting. Scientists and engineers are working on new technologies. These advancements will revolutionize the way we interact with the world. Imagine a world with realistic 3-dimensional projections. One of the most anticipated developments is the holographic display. These displays will allow us to view holographic images without the need for special glasses. Imagine watching 3-dimensional movies that seem to come to life right in your living room. Another area of active research is holographic data storage. Holograms can store vast amounts of information in a small space. This technology could lead to ultra-high-capacity hard drives and memory chips. In the medical field, researchers are developing holographic microscopes. These microscopes will allow doctors to see inside living cells in 3 dimensions. This will revolutionize medical diagnosis and treatment. We can also expect to see the rise of holographic telepresence. This technology will allow us to project our 3-dimensional images to different locations. Imagine attending a business meeting on the other side of the world without ever leaving your office. Section 5. A future shaped by light. Holography's promise. Holography has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. From entertainment to medicine, education to communication, holograms will change how we live, work, and interact with each other. Imagine a future where we can learn by interacting with holographic representations of historical figures. Doctors could perform remote surgeries using holographic projections. We could even have holographic pets that seem just as real as their living counterparts. As we continue to unlock the secrets of light, the possibilities of holography are limitless. Holography is not just about creating stunning visuals. It's about capturing the essence of reality itself. It's about shaping light to create experiences that were once thought to be impossible. The future is holographic, and it's going to be amazing.
So we have explored the creation and the incredible potential of holograms. But what about seeing them? How do we actually view a recorded hologram? In our next Physics Enigma video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of laser light and learn how to unlock the 3-dimensional image hidden within a holographic plate. Don't miss it. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next step into the captivating realm of holography.